everyone, welcome back to Tech and Gadget Reviews. Today we are diving into the top 12 best robot vacuum for pet hair that can totally change how you clean your home. If you are tired of fur, dust, and constant sweeping, this list is going to save your time and energy. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Now, let's get started. Lefant LiDAR Robot Vacuum. I love how the Lefant LiDAR Robot Vacuum combines precision mapping with powerful suction to tackle stubborn pet hair. Its advanced LiDAR navigation scans your entire home, creating accurate routes that avoid missed spots. The strong suction easily lifts embedded fur from carpets while staying gentle on hard floors. It also features smart app control, letting me schedule cleanings and customize zones without hassle. The slim design helps it glide under furniture where pet hair usually hides. Plus, the quiet operation means it runs without disturbing pets. Battery life is impressive, covering large areas in one go. Overall, this model feels reliable, efficient, and perfect for maintaining a consistently clean, fur-free home environment every single day. UBPET Ultra Robot Vacuum. The UBPET Ultra Robot Vacuum stands out with its pet-focused cleaning system designed specifically for heavy shedding homes. I noticed how its upgraded brush system prevents hair tangles, which is a huge win if you have furry companions. The suction power is strong enough to pull debris from deep carpets while maintaining smooth performance on hardwood floors. It also features intelligent navigation that maps rooms efficiently, reducing cleaning time. The large dustbin means fewer interruptions during cleaning sessions. I also like the simple app interface that allows easy scheduling and control. With long battery life and consistent performance, this vacuum offers a hassle-free solution for daily cleaning and keeps floors looking fresh and spotless always.
Roborock Q7 Smart Vacuum. The Roborock Q7 Smart Vacuum delivers a powerful combination of suction and smart technology that works great for pet owners. I found its adaptive route planning extremely efficient, covering every corner without repetition. The suction easily lifts pet hair, crumbs, and fine dust from both carpets and hard surfaces. Its precision sensors help it avoid obstacles and navigate tight spaces smoothly. The app control is very intuitive, allowing customized cleaning schedules and specific room targeting. It also offers quiet operation, which is ideal around pets. The battery performance is strong, handling large cleaning areas without stopping. Overall, this vacuum feels premium, reliable, and perfect for keeping your home consistently clean with minimal effort every single day. Self-empty robot vacuum. This self-empty robot vacuum makes cleaning incredibly convenient by reducing how often you need to empty the dustbin. I really appreciate its automatic emptying base that stores dirt and pet hair for weeks. The suction power is strong enough to handle heavy shedding, pulling fur from deep carpet fibers easily. Its smart navigation system ensures efficient cleaning paths while avoiding obstacles. The app control lets me set schedules and adjust cleaning modes effortlessly. It also transitions smoothly between floor types without losing performance. The design is modern and practical, fitting nicely into most home setups. If you want a low-maintenance cleaning solution, this vacuum offers both power and convenience in one smart package for daily use every day.
LiDAR Self-Empty Robot Vacuum. The LiDAR Self-Empty Robot Vacuum takes convenience to the next level with its smart mapping and automatic dust disposal system. I love how it creates precise home layouts, ensuring no area gets missed during cleaning. Its strong suction easily removes pet hair, dirt, and debris from different floor types. The self-emptying dock reduces maintenance, making it ideal for busy lifestyles. It also supports advanced app controls, including no-go zones and customized cleaning schedules. The navigation is smooth and accurate, even in cluttered spaces. Battery life is impressive, allowing extended cleaning sessions. Overall, this vacuum delivers a powerful, hands-free cleaning experience that keeps your home consistently fresh and free from pet hair buildup every day. Bissell Smart Robot Vacuum. The Bissell Smart Robot Vacuum is a solid choice for pet owners who want reliable performance and smart features. I noticed how its brush system is designed to pick up pet hair without clogging, which saves time on maintenance. The suction power handles everyday messes effectively, from fur to dust and crumbs. It uses intelligent navigation to clean rooms systematically, avoiding random movements. The app control allows easy scheduling and monitoring, making daily cleaning effortless. I also like its compact design, which helps it reach tight spaces under furniture. Battery life is decent for regular cleaning routines. Overall, this vacuum offers a balanced mix of performance, convenience, and affordability for maintaining a clean home environment.
Smart 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum. The Smart 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum is perfect if you want both vacuuming and mopping in one device. I found it extremely useful for handling pet hair while also wiping away dirt and stains from hard floors. The suction is strong enough to pick up fur from carpets, while the mopping function adds an extra layer of cleanliness. Its smart navigation system ensures efficient cleaning patterns without missing spots. The app control is simple and allows scheduling and mode adjustments easily. It also features multiple cleaning modes for different surfaces. The slim design helps it reach under furniture effortlessly. Overall, this vacuum is a versatile cleaning solution that keeps your home looking neat and fresh with minimal effort every day. Tikom LiDAR Robot Vacuum. The Tikom LiDAR Robot Vacuum offers precise navigation and strong suction, making it a great option for pet hair cleaning. I really like how its LiDAR mapping creates accurate room layouts for efficient coverage. The suction power handles stubborn fur and debris with ease on both carpets and hard floors. It also supports app and voice control, making operations simple and convenient. The smart sensors help avoid obstacles and prevent falls, ensuring safe cleaning. Battery life is impressive, covering large areas without interruption. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well into any home. Overall, this vacuum delivers dependable performance and smart features that make daily cleaning much easier and more effective. Kilgone Smart Robot Vacuum. The Kilgone Smart Robot Vacuum is a budget-friendly option that still delivers solid performance for pet owners. I found its suction power surprisingly strong for picking up pet hair and dust from different surfaces. It uses intelligent navigation to clean efficiently without wasting time on random movements. The compact design allows it to reach under furniture where fur tends to accumulate. It also supports app control, making it easy to schedule cleaning sessions. The battery life is decent for small to medium spaces. I also appreciate its quiet operation, which keeps pets calm. Overall, this vacuum offers great value, combining essential features and reliable cleaning performance for maintaining a tidy home environment every day. Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum stands out with its powerful cleaning and advanced smart features. I love how its AI navigation detects and adapts to obstacles, ensuring efficient and thorough cleaning. The suction is strong enough to remove pet hair from deep carpets and hard floors effortlessly. Its self-emptying base adds convenience, reducing the need for frequent maintenance. The app control is intuitive, allowing easy scheduling and customization. It also supports voice control for hands-free operation. The build quality feels premium and durable. Battery life is excellent, covering large spaces without interruption. Overall, this vacuum delivers a high-end cleaning experience that keeps your home spotless and free from pet hair buildup. Ultra Slim Robot Vacuum. The Ultra Slim Robot Vacuum is perfect for reaching tight spaces where pet hair often hides. I really like its low-profile design, which easily slides under beds, sofas, and cabinets. Despite its compact size, it delivers strong suction that effectively removes fur and dust from floors. It uses smart sensors to navigate around obstacles and avoid falls. The operation is simple, with easy controls and basic scheduling options. It is also very quiet, making it ideal for homes with sensitive pets. Battery life is sufficient for small to medium cleaning tasks. Overall, this vacuum is a great choice if you need a lightweight and efficient cleaner for everyday maintenance. Shark Smart Robot Vacuum. The Shark PowerDetect Smart Robot offers intelligent cleaning with automatic adjustments based on floor type and dirt levels. I really appreciate how it increases suction when detecting heavy pet hair areas. Its smart mapping system ensures complete coverage while avoiding obstacles efficiently. The app control allows precise scheduling and room-specific cleaning. It also features strong suction that works well on carpets and hard floors. The design feels premium and durable, built for long-term use. Battery performance is reliable, handling large cleaning sessions without issues. Overall, this vacuum provides smart, powerful, and efficient cleaning, making it a great choice for keeping your home consistently free from pet hair and daily messes.
So that wraps up our top 12 best robot vacuum for pet hair that can truly make your cleaning routine easier and smarter. Each of these options offers something unique, whether it is powerful suction, smart navigation, or hands-free convenience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and drop a comment below with your favorite pick. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and latest prices. And of course, subscribe to Tech and Gadget Reviews for more amazing product reviews coming your way soon.